What's up everybody out there in YouTube land? Jose once again from PetRockMedia.com, back with a new video. In today's video we're going to do a quick short unboxing of the brand new camera that we just released and got into the studio, and that is the Fujifilm XH2S. Let's unbox and talk about it. Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you are brand new to this channel and you enjoy photography tips, cinematography tips, tips and tricks on gaming, just overall checking out and geeking out, then this is the channel for you. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, punch that bell icon so you're notified of each and every time we post content to the channel, and the occasional unboxing. Now, this camera has been out in the wild for other creatives to utilize with a pre-production model. So there's a lot of things that have been talked about already that I'm not going to touch base on. All we're going to do today is unbox this thing. I've got the overhead cam running, so we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Fujifilm XH2S. We just got this in the studio the day it was released on Thursday. Today is Saturday. Doing a quick unboxing. Today's Saturday, July the 9th. I'm going to go ahead and get the unboxing going. Again, your typical, manuals, your product registration, all this other good stuff. So right here, we've got, open this up over here. And we'll be switching back and forth to the overhead cam and the front facing cam. So we've got this little box of goodies here, if you will. Put it over here too for y'all to see. So you'll see we have the USB Type-C wire. You're gonna want to keep this in a safe spot because a lot of times if you don't have a compatible USB Type-C cable that supports charging and you don't want to buy another one, this cable is gonna do the charging for you. So you wanna make sure you have that with you. Typical camera strap, which I rarely will put on the camera itself. The plugs for international travel. The regular plug right here. The battery and the charging brick right here. Little charging cable, and of course the battery, which if you have the GFX100S, if you have the XT4, they all use this same Fuji battery, the new kind of higher one, the NPW235. You can see right there. Right there. Obviously, I'm not shooting this video right on the XH2S. I'm shooting it on the Canon R5, but in future videos, I'm going to be utilizing the XH2S to kind of see the differences between this Canon camera and the Fujifilm as far as the detail of shooting in higher resolutions versus 4K. Right now, I'm just shooting in regular 4K, not 8K on the Canon because obviously that's higher resolution than the 6.2K that the Fuji can do. But again, we'll be shooting more videos with the XH2S. So there's that. And then here is the star of the show. Nothing else in the box, nothing else. So we can go ahead and put that there. And then here we go. And there is the camera. Put it right there. Looks and feels just like the GFX100S. And as a matter of fact, let me go and grab that real quick. Move all of that away. So obviously, size comparison, look at the size of this bad boy versus the XH2S. But the overall feel, I mean, if you look at it on the top, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that down, or on the overhead cam shot right here, you could see it's like they took the XH2S and pulled it to make the GFX100S. But I mean, just taking a look at them, don't look at all of, the size itself, but just look at all the custom buttons right here on the GFX100S. Look at the XH2S. I mean, down to, other than these two buttons right here, and obviously the video direct or the video button that's solely, to start recording. Everything else looks virtually identical. The wording up here versus down here. The buttons right here, view mode light right here on these two cameras. I mean, everything looks virtually identical. Put them right there. You can see all they did was take the GFX100S and shrink it a little, or took the XH2S and increased it so that way it looks just like the GFX100S. But that wraps up this quick short video. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of the brand new Fujifilm XH2S. Gonna be testing some things out. Gonna start with autofocus, gonna start with video, just tons of different tests. So again, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you're locked and loaded to the channel. Thank each and every one of you for stopping on by. I greatly appreciate all your support. I'm gonna leave some links down below if you want to utilize those links to get yourself an XH2S when they do come in stock on Amazon, because I know right now they are sold out. Definitely do me a favor and utilize the affiliate link down below if you want to help out the channel. If not, you don't need to do so. Just stopping on by, giving a thumbs up greatly helps out the channel, greatly helps out the algorithm. I'll catch all of you beautiful human beings in the next video. Peace.